Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you in a simple step on how to calculate gold pip for buy limit. I'm going to use it for buy limit now. I'm going to explain the sell limit in another video. In order to make this video short, let's go. You know what gold is? The symbol is XAUUSD. Just go to it. Go to trade. Let's go to trade. I'm going to use buy limit in order to understand very well. You can use any lot size of your choice. Let assume your entry price is, let's say your entry price is 905. Your entry price is 905. That's the entry price for the good is 905, and you want to use, and they give you stop loss of, like, let's assume, like me, I normally use 50 pip to 80 pip for my stop loss in gold, and my take profit will be like maybe 50 to 100 pip also. Let's assume I want to use 50 pip stop loss on this gold signal, and my entry is 9.05. that my stop loss will be 9.00. You know how it's easy and how to calculate it like that. I will just show you in this simple video. And you want to calculate your take profit. Let's say let's assume my take profit is, let's say, 50 pip also. My stop loss will be 50 pip and my take profit also will be 50 pip. You know, it's simple. Let me show you how I do it, and I calculate it easy. Just find your entry price. My entry price is 19.05. Just plus it by 5. Just plus it by 5. Just plus it by 5, and you can see it bring 910. That's for my take profit. My take profit is 1910. You can see my take profit is 1910. That's how you calculate my. If I want to use like 20 or 30 pip, my entry price is 9.05. Just plus it by 2. The first letter of your the people, let's assume you are giving a trade, you are give an entry price of 1905, and you are meant to calculate the take profit of, let's say, 80 pip. Just enter the entry price 905 plus 8. You see, that's for the 80 pip. You can see we calculate 50 pip. And if I want to calculate my stop loss and my entry price is 905, just minus it. It's simple as that. Just minus it by 5. Just minus it by 5. It gives you 1900. It's a simple strategy. It's a simple way. If you they give you 80 pip stop loss, just calculate it. Your entry price minus 8. That give you 18977. As easy as that. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you don't want to miss another episode of it.